Hi everyone, welcome to your stress-free reselling course. I am really happy that you decided to take the plunge and branch out and take my course. I know it might seem a little scary at first. I've taken online courses myself and been super hesitant, like, oh no, I'm spending this money. What if it doesn't work out? It could be a nightmare, then I'm out this money. But it really worked out for me in the end. So I'm really happy that you're here. Just a little tip, this course you can write off in your taxes. And I will do a little training video on what you can and can't write off. It's really, really helpful. There's a lot of things that you'll be able to write off, guys. And so I will be going over that with you. My first recommendation is to go through and do these videos in order. I cannot stress that enough. If you skip around, you're going to miss some crucial information that I assure you will need. It's better just to go through the course one step at a time. I would definitely take notes and write down any questions you have. At the end of the course, I will provide my email that you will be able to email me in with questions. But I just ask, please get through the course before you ask me questions, because chances are your questions will be answered in a later video. So with that being said, again, welcome, happy you're here, and I look forward to teaching you all of my knowledge. And without any further ado, let's move to step one, video one.